What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to go with our friend Turbo, currently sitting at 0.004932, down 12% on the day. Seeing market cap 316 million, 24 volume 117 million. So we did bounce from our target zone, but it was just a three-wave move, which is typical of a wave B. So one of the scenarios is A, B, C correction. Now, if the 78.6% breaks, then you have to consider that we're going to come down in a lower low and create a deeper wave to pullback, which is very possible. Sometimes these corrections can be complex and they take time to play out. But if we get a reaction from the zone, we bounce out of this yellow box, then we can start to push up in that wave 3. So this does look like a nice impulse to the upside. But if that 78.6% breaks, then it increases the likelihood of coming down, breaking this low, and creating a lower low, which could take you down to 0.0028, 0.0025, that range, before continuation back to the upside. So we'll have to see if this pullback zone holds, depending on BTC, of course, and if we can bounce out of it, or if this level breaks at 0.04285 and we end up coming down to create a lower low and a deeper wave to pull back. We'll have to see how that plays out for our friend Turbo. That's pretty much it for this little update. If we do push up from here, then the larger wave count target is all the way up right around 0.01987 in that juicy wave 3. If that pullback zone holds, if it doesn't, it is what it is. We come deeper in the 2 before seeing continuation. All right, gang, we're in multiple trades right now. One for Gala, which already hit our TP. We're also in a turbo trade. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on your fees on every single trade if you sign up through my link. Top of the comments, after you make your first deposit, can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Just send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We have 2 trades that are ongoing. We just hit our TP1 on Gala. And and Forex signals pretty much daily as well. Very closed full profit on US 30, very close to our TP3. That was a nice trade. As you can see here, we actually came very, very close to our TP3 already, so I decided to lock it in. Trade Forex, trade crypto, all the exchanges are provided if you need to sign up. And you can get free access with a sign-up deposit to Bitfinex. If you don't want to go that route, sign up through the Patreon, $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.